So, you've filmed a great clip for TikTok or Instagram Reels, but the editing? That's where the magic happens. The good news, you don't need fancy software or a powerful PC anymore. Today, I'll show you the best free apps to edit your Reels and TikToks like a pro, right from your phone. Let's start with CapCut, the all-time favorite for creators. Made by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok, it's designed to make editing fast and intuitive. You get access to AI auto captions, trending effects, music sync, and templates used by viral creators. Plus, it's totally free, no watermark, no hidden fees. If you want your videos to look like top influencers, CapCut is your best friend. Next, meet VN Video Editor, simple, powerful, and clean. It's perfect for those who like timeline-style editing, just like in professional software. You can trim clips, adjust transitions, add music, and even use keyframes, all on your phone. What makes VN stand out is its export quality, crisp 1080p or even 4K videos without compression. No watermark, and it's completely offline if you want privacy. Third, InShot, one of the oldest and most trusted apps for short videos. Its interface is beginner-friendly, great for adding text, stickers, transitions, and background blur for vertical videos. If you're managing both Instagram and TikTok, InShot helps you resize easily for each platform. It has a small watermark in the free version, but you can remove it by watching an ad. Bonus mention, LightCut, a rising AI-powered editor. It automatically detects highlights in your clips and creates cinematic edits with matching music. Perfect when you're short on time but still want something that looks professional. Think of it as your AI video assistant for Reels and TikToks. So there you have it, CapCut, VN, InShot, and LightCut, 4 of the best free editing apps that can help your Reels and TikToks go viral. Try them out, experiment, and let AI handle the hard work while you focus on creativity. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.